Take a deep breath. Have you ever thought about what you breathe in every time you take a breath? We can't see it, we can't feel it, but air is all around us. Because we can't see air, we often think that air is empty. But air actually contains many different things. So today, I'd like to talk about what's in the air out there. You probably know that air around you is composed of a lot of different gases. The two main gases that make up the air are nitrogen and oxygen. Nitrogen makes up 78%, and oxygen makes up 21% of the air we breathe. But there are also about 10 other gases that are in the air in very small amounts. And even though we can't see or smell or taste these gases, we could not live without them. The amount of water vapor in the air, in other words, the humidity level, is something I know you're all familiar with. If you hear on the news that today's humidity is 80 or 90%, that means there's a lot of water vapor in the air. If you are outdoors and it is hot and humid, your clothes will probably feel sticky, and you'll probably feel uncomfortable. But if you hear that today's humidity is 50%, that means there's a lot less water in the air. 50% is comfortable for most people. Deserts and other dry places can have a humidity level of only 10%, not much water in the air at all. When you're outside in 10% humidity, your mouth will probably feel dry and you'll need to drink something soon. Before we move on, let's talk about how water vapor gets into the air. Now, the most obvious source is rain, snow, and other forms of liquid or solid water that falls from the clouds. Sometimes the rain or snow changes to vapor as it falls, and it stays in the air. But water vapor can also enter the air from sources on Earth, from oceans and rivers, from trees and plants, and even from the ground.